Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir, for giving this opportunity. Sir, the statement of object of the reasons of this enacting this act, the earlier Medical Council Act 1970 has not been served the purpose. Now, in order to streamline the functioning of the Central Council of Indian Medicine and to bring the transparency in the mechanism for grant of permission of medical institutions and improve the standards of medical education. Now, the present enactment will serve the purpose or not. I support the bill, but I wanted to directly suggest few suggestions with regard to this act enactment. Previously, a departmental related standing committee has been appointed and examined it and recommended 32 suggestions, out of which only 15 was accepted. The important aspect is yoga and naturopathy has given discriminatory treatment in this bill. It has to be given proper care and the ministry has to take care of it. Another thing is one member from Lok Sabha and one member from Rajya Sabha has to be considered in respect in the constituting the Committee of National Commission. That is to be also, that recommendation also important has to be considered. In fact, it is a medical council, it is a professional body. The professionals has given us not proper place in the National Commission. Only 6 members have given. It is being it is a professional body, it requires more number of representation is required in the National Commission. Likewise, medical treatment is a state subject. The state must be given a proper representation. It is not given in the bill. Now it is required to constitute a commission by giving a appropriate representation to the state committee. As far as the appellate body is concerned, it is a quasi-judicial body, but it requires independent powers, but whereas the bill doesn't provide such independent powers or appellate body is concerned. Indian system is a medicine has to be is reoriented at this present stage. The postgraduate and diploma holders earlier the university on postgraduate diploma holders in clinical cardiology course has been conducted by Indira Gandhi National Open University between 2006 and 13. There are 1,700 graduates are there, but no recognition was given. They approached the Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court also categorically directed the central government to consider it on the ground before commencing the course under Section 10A. Accordingly, their decision is not sustained and recognition has to be given. Despite of the directions of the Honorable High Court of Delhi, it was not considered by the ministry. I request the Honorable Minister to consider it, to give a recognition to the PGDCC, and there are 400 graduates, cardiologist graduates are there. It has to be considered. Ultimately, my senior colleague, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, has suggested it requires an integrated medical education system. I support the same. Unless that system is being introduced, the purpose and the objects of the bill may not be fulfilled. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Ashok Vajpayee.
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय,